Today I want to tell you about my comic that I made. The title is The Bear and the Bee. Everyone know it. Everyone knows if bear loves honey. So one day the bear looked for the honey, but there is no honey in his cupboard, and he He goes to forest to look something in outside, and he found a beehive, and the bear smells it. Mmm, honey. He sticks his paw on the beehive, and a bee flies out. Says the bee, "Hey bear, this is not your honey." Mr. Bear, annoyed. "I am bigger than you and strong than you." Because Mr. Bear annoyed, he smashed the beehive. But the sound got louder and louder. Zzz. And Thousand Bee is angry because their beehive is broken. One by one, the bees sting the bear on the ear, nose, arm, hand, neck, and feet. He ran to his house. He feels hurt, so Mrs. Bear gave him medicine, and Mrs. Bear said, "There is honey on the cupboard. It's behind the flower." And the bear is confused because she doesn't know there is honey on the cupboard. The end. Thank you.
Okay. Why did you choose this story?
Because I like in TGV1, I like always to watch it in TGV.
Because you ever watch it at TGV1. That's why you came.
Yeah.
Okay. What part of the story do you like?
I like when the bees sting the bear because it is funny.
Okay. What things that you can learn from that story?
We must. What is mencari dengan teliti?
Look careful.
Look at for.
Look carefully. We must look carefully.
We must look carefully, and we cannot just menyalahkan orang. What? Blame other people.
Okay, now tell me about the video. Just one.
DIY store. One day, Helen sits on the chair. She feels dissatisfied of her room. Because of that, their Helen friends give a suggestion. David suggests to move the bear under the window, and Matt's suggestion is
Suggest.
Suggest
Helen to what?
to put the hi-fi on the drawer. David gives a suggestion again. That is to put the chair on the corner. Jane suggests to paint Helen's room. And then they decide to choose Helen's suggestion. But Helen can't do it herself because Helen busy off in that day. Helen is busy on that day because she has a large appointment and she is not very practical to paint herself. So Helen leaves to Matt, Jane, and David. So when Helen goes, Matt, Jane, and David go to the DIY store. But on the way, they get lost. So Matt asks a pedestrian. The pedestrian says, go straight, turn left on the roundabout, go down road, and the DIY store is next to the supermarket. After they in the DIY store, they look for the paint that's suitable for Helen's rooms. Matt chooses black color, but Jane says it's not suitable for Helen's room. And Jane found a blue color. It's gorgeous, but it's so expensive. So they skip that, and David looks the orange color. He say it's suitable and gorgeous for Helen's room, and they agree of paint that David chose. So after buy that orange color, they get some roller too. At the home, they paint the Helen room, and after they paint Helen room, they have a break, a few minutes. So after Helen's come, she says Matt's t-shirt is horrible, and Matt's t-shirt is same like the orange color of Helen's room. After Helen's go to her room, she screams because the color is terrible. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay. If you are Matt, David, and also Jen, will you have Helen? Will you have her or not?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because help people is good for my character.
Your character. Okay. But why will Helen? Why Helen leave them alone?
What is?
Why Helen leave them alone? Why Helen prefer to go to lunch appointment? What do you think about it?
I think Helen cannot appointment, but after Helen have lunch appointment, maybe she can paint herself and choose her favorite color. So there is no misunderstanding.
So, if you were Helen, which one do you choose? Go to lunch appointment or help your friend?
I think I will go to lunch appointment because if I not what is menepati janji?
Feel
If we don't fulfill, we can get a mistake because we can't fulfill that people says lunch appointment with me.
right. The next one. Why do you think that Helen screamed when she sees the room?
Because she thinks it's so horrible, and I think it's horrible too because the orange color is so light and bright.
Light and bright. Okay. What moral lesson you can learn from that?
We can be independent, but sometimes we need help. We need help, but we must tell clearly. If not clearly, we have a misunderstanding, and we must be grateful that people can help that we can help us.
Okay.